Hey guys, thought we'd let you know just what we've been up to. I've had several surgeries since we started doing some stuff. We tried to get back on, had 2 more surgeries on my foot. Finally back to work, finally back out today. Took my beautiful wife around here on a date. We thought we'd take you along. This creek is pretty. I haven't been here in a while. This is Clay Creek over in Winslow. We're just gonna putt through here. Up here ahead of us is some petroglyphs that are really cool. We'll show you those. Just a little bit of the scenery. If you've been watching my videos, it's kind of where we come to escape. About the only little section of water we got where I'm at. We got another creek, and then this we have Clear Creek and Shevlin Creek. The other lakes are, I don't know, hour plus away. So once we get up here, we'll show you a little bit what it looks like, and we'll show you the petroglyphs that are left here. I believe I've been told the one is a Hopi panel, and the other one is an old Anasazi panel where they used to come in here and get water. So, but this place it's pretty. We caught it on a good day, and we'll show you. I'll have Mary show you the scenery. But let's go. Okay, here's a few of them up here. If you look right here, you can see this figure here, and there's a couple really faded ones. But we're right here we're in the boat. We're on the edge of the creek that obviously at that time wasn't dammed off. So there's this one here, and there's a pan over here behind this grass. I think Mary said she's going to jump out and she'll show you. But right back in here, there's a whole bunch. There's a panel here, and this is actually where they would have had to have come, and they would have been able to get down here all the way up to this I don't know what you call it, this little cut off up here. This wall on this side is full of there's petroglyphs all over, but there's a real pretty panel right here that Mary will show you here in just a second. Alright guys, we made it to the first set of panels. Like I said, we're in the creek. There is a way you can come around and hike down to where we're at right here. The next set you can only see by a boat. But we'll take you to this set first. Mary's off on the shore now. She'll show you this little bottom panel. This is the one I was told is like a Hopi ghost panel. But they go all the way up this, way farther than we feel like hiking today. They go all the way up this cut where you can hike all the way out. So we'll have Mary show you this first little panel. Took a picture of another panel right here, and then after that we'll take you up the creek some more where there's another one. So check these out.
All right, this is the one a little higher up. This is pretty fun. Different looks. Then I wanted to show you where I'm at. So there's John. We're here at the creek. We'll go up and look at those other petroglyphs. So we're coming up on the petroglyphs, but I wanted to show you how beautifully clear the water is. You can see clear down, see all the weeds and everything. Just beautiful. Back up here to these petroglyphs. This is the second set. We're right here in the boat in the water. There's John.
Seem pretty good.
Yeah.
Kind of in the shadow, but they're pretty. There's this whole set. You look up higher, there's some old ones real faded. And then there's more that go back over this way. They go around that wall above that grass. There's some up there that are pretty different. And then over here by the pump house, if you go up on the little edges, there's just little things carved all over. These goats and sheep. Be interesting to know what this place looked like before it was dammed and then filled in. You know, because there's lots of stuff in here. Pretty cool. That's a good looking panel with all the sheep, and there's one right here. It looks like he's got one of those Hanukkah candles for antlers. He's got 4 on this side, 5. It's like a big elk looking creature, but they didn't have elk. Kind of interesting. Alright guys, so that was the second panel. There's a whole bunch in here. There's so much in here. Mary shot some shots of the water. It's crystal clear. Probably down 15, 20 feet you can see. So we're just going to enjoy our time. We'll take some more shots as we go up this canyon where it starts getting real shallow. And like I said, we're just having fun. We're just glad to be out. Just a week ago, not even a week ago, I was locked up in a wheelchair. So excited to be out, be in the boat, have an adventure, and take you with us. So like I said, we'll go up the canyon some more, show you how clear the water is, show you how pretty it is. We caught it on a really nice day, so pretty fun. thanks for coming with us. Kind of had this last minute boat ride for a date. We're just up here at the end. Now you have to have a canoe or kayak. You can go up another, well, you can go a long ways, but you got to get out and hike a little bit. It just starts really petering out. There's some real pretty springs and rocks. But hopefully you enjoyed it. Enjoyed the petroglyphs. Just going for a little boat ride date with us. We're just going to take it slow, head back, and just enjoy the scenery of the creek. Being glad just to get out, have some fun. Well, I hope you guys are having some adventures, blacksmithing, forging, doing something. You know, turn on your imagination, get out and do something. I'm really feel blessed that I'm out here even today and back at work and just out here getting to have another adventure. So I hope you guys are getting out. So on to the next one. Let's go.